If you're thinking of starting your own e-commerce business in 2025, then let me tell you, this is a great opportunity. However, if your strategy is not profitable in the e-commerce business, then having a proper strategy and a good execution will make your business more profitable. So in this particular video, I will be discussing exactly that. First, if you are going to start your own e-commerce business, then the first step that you need to take is to research your product. The foundation of your business will be your product. So if you choose a wrong product initially, then it will be very difficult to scale in the future. So spend as much time as possible on the product research. Find a product that solves the problem in the market or meets a need. Now let's discuss about how to research your product. The first step is to check whether the product has the demand or not, or whether it's trending. You can use tools like Google Trends to understand the trends of your product. See how many people are searching for it and how many people are engaging for the product. There are other tools such as exploring topics which can tell whether your product is trending in the market or not. When you understand your product is trending in the market, you move to the next step of the product research. You will find multiple websites selling the exact same product. Use tools like SimilarWeb or SEMrush to analyze these websites. See their search volume and identify the top websites that are selling the exact same product which you have chosen, and also understand who your true competitors are. You also need to check how many sales are your competitors are really getting. There are tools like Cola Inspector which can help you with this thing. Now let's move on to finding the suppliers. There are two ways to do that. One is the online method. You can visit websites like Alibaba, or the second one is actually visiting the local markets in your locality. When finding suppliers, make sure that you research about them very thoroughly. Do check their reviews and prices. Always ensure that you get your products for 3x cheaper price than your MRP. After finding your suppliers, focus on building your website. Building a website has really become easy today. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Focus on customization, user experience, and checkout processes. Now, when you have got your product, supplier, and your website ready, focus on the content marketing strategy. This is very crucial in today's e-commerce landscape. Research about your competitors, identify trending contents, and create engaging posts for your product. You can use Facebook and Instagram to reach out to your audiences. You can also use your competitor's ad to create your own ad. This is how exactly it works. You can go to Meta and Google's library and search for your product. There you will see the current ad running for that product. This will try to understand the competition that is present in your market. Now that you have understood which product to sell, found a supplier, built a website, and prepared a content marketing strategy, now it's time to increase your inventory. Use third-party logistics to streamline your operations, and also add related products on your website. Suppose that if you're selling tables, add similar products like chairs and stools on your website. This actually helps you increase your sales. If you want to scale your e-commerce business further, you can check out marketplaces like Amazon and Flipkart. So there is a cost associated with it if you are selling on these platforms. So that is the one thing which you need to keep in your mind if you are expanding your e-commerce business in Amazon and Flipkart. So finally, doing an e-commerce is really challenging. You need to implement many things and learn new concepts as well. While starting an e-commerce business, you must be really serious and maintain consistency, and very importantly, be patient. The more you are connected to your product, the more you sell it to your customers. Hope that this particular video have cleared your roadmap of starting an e-commerce business. If you have any doubt, leave them in the comment section. I will be answering them personally. Till then, I'll see you next time. Keep hustling.